Hello everyone, welcome back to our online class, and this is the first session. We are going to learn about listening starter 1. As you can see here, the lesson review. We will review about question words. You have learned and you have known question words already, right? We have learned about who, which, when, what, why, how. So these words we use it in order to create questions. And today's lesson as well, I have another word or as to review with you 7 words together. So we have to review about the word when, who, how many, why, where, how much, and how, right? Do you know how to use when? Okay, I hope that you still remember. We use when to ask for time, right? Who, ask for person. How many, ask for the amount of something. Why, ask for reason. And where, ask for the place. How much, ask for the price. And how, ask for the way we do something. Great, so please read together. When, who, how many, why, where, how much, and how. These are called question words or WH words. Okay everyone, as you can see here, these are WH words and these are the meanings of how to use them. Great, I want you all to match WH word to the correct meanings. Okay, I give you 3 minutes to do this exercise and I hope that you can do it well. Let's start. Okay class, welcome back. So now we will check the answer together. When. So when ask for, yes, time, date or day, right? Okay, time, date or day. How about where? Yes, ask for the place. Who, person. Why, reason. Example, why do you learn English? Because I want to speak English well. So you tell them about the reason. Okay, actually how, we cannot find the meanings here, so we skip it and we jump to another word. How much, right? How much asks for the price. Example, if you buy a computer, then you need to ask a question. If you want to know about the price, how much is it? Okay, how much is it? How about how many, everyone? Yes, how many ask for the amount, right? The amount of something, okay? And this is countable noun. We use it for countable noun. How many? Example, how many books are there? How many books are there? There are 2 books. Example, great. Okay, when, time, date or day, where, place, who, person, why, reason, and how, we cannot find the meaning here, right? How much, price, and how many, amount. Great. Okay everyone, so now I want you all to take a look at her. Great. So look at her, then ask her the questions. Look at her and ask her the questions. As you can see here, these are the questions that we ask because we want to know about her. But I want you all to fill WH words in the blanks here, right? Okay, to make it meaningful, to make X sentence, X question meaningful, you need to put down WH word, right? So I hope that you can do it. So now let's start in 5 minutes. Okay class, welcome back. So now look at her everyone. So this is number 1, is her name. Is her name. So what WH word should we put here everyone? Okay, maybe this is want to know about the information, right? So when we want to know about the information of something or the information of someone, what WH word do we use? Yes, we use what. So what here asks for information. What is her name? Again, what is her name? Great. How about number 2 everyone? Okay, what WH word should we put here? Read together. Does she come from? Does she come from? So come from here telling us about the place, right? Telling us about the place. So when we want to know about the place of someone, what WH word do we use? Yes, you are right. We need to ask where, right? Where does she come from? Where does she come from? And we use does. Why do we need to use does? Because we can see verb 1 here. Come here is verb 1. Or you can say, where is she from? Where is she from? We put is, not does, because in the sentence there is no verb, right? There is no verb. So we can say, where is she from? Or where does she come from? So both sentences are correct, right? How about number 3? Does she live? Does she live? So what WH word should we use? Okay, so this is where, right? Where does she live? Live here also telling us about the place, right? Okay, so when we want to know about the place of somebody, we can use where as well. How about number 4, everyone? Does she live with? She live with. Live with here means live with someone, right? Live with somebody, about person, right? So when we want to know about the persons, we need to use who, right? Who does she live with? Again, who does she live with, right? How about number 5? Does she do? Does she do? Maybe this is want to know about the information as well, right? Example, if you do homework and then your friend may ask you, what do you do? So you need to tell them about the information. So this one as well. What does she do? What does she do? Okay, great. So now we have created some questions to ask her already. So now please check out her answer. Okay, number 1. Remember everyone? What questions have you created in order to ask her? Yes. What is her name, right? So her name is Nilaniza, right? Her name is Nilaniza. So number 2, where does she come from? She comes from India. She comes from India. Okay, we have subject, verb 1 here, need to add s. And where does she live? She lives in London, right? She lives in London. Number 4, she lives with her husband and 3 children. So we need to ask her, who does she live with, right? Who does she live with? So who here refer to her husband and 3 children. And number 5, everyone, great. What does she do? She is a student at university. Again, she is a student at university. Okay, everyone, so when you use WH words to create questions, normally or every time, the person will answer with a clear information, right? With the clear information. But if we ask question without WH question, they will provide short answer, right? Okay, everyone, so this is our lesson today. Today we have review about WH words. Goodbye everyone, see you again in the second session.